you should always keep a tub of Vaseline in your home. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dr Ingky, your digital skin doctor, and today we'll be talking about a very old brand, and I'm sure all of you have seen it. Today we're talking about Vaseline. Do you guys keep Vaseline at home? Let me know in the comments what you use them for. First up, let's talk about Vaseline. Now, the Vaseline that we're talking about has existed since 1870 and is the original petroleum jelly. Vaseline has been used for 150 years and has been trusted because of its hypoallergenic properties and as well as its medical benefits. Once thought as an unwanted product from petroleum refinery, now it's very good and has been stocked up by dermatologists all over the world for its medical benefits. Ladies and gentlemen, here are 5 things that you can use for Vaseline at home. First of all, Vaseline can be used to treat minor cuts and burns. Once you have an injury on your skin, you are afraid that there is infection, there is bacteria, and there's dirt going in. So the first thing you should do if you accidentally cut yourself is, first of all, go rinse off the wound, clean it up with proper soap and antiseptic if you have them, and immediately do not bandage it. Immediately please apply a layer of Vaseline. Now what Vaseline or petroleum jelly do is it actually forms an airtight barrier to prevent dirt and bacteria from getting into the skin and from infecting the wound. It also helps with burns, especially from cooking accidents. Once you have a cooking accident or you have a heat burn, please rinse your wound under running water, cold running water preferably, and apply a layer of Vaseline over the top to prevent the blisters from popping. Second thing that you can use with Vaseline is to treat cracked lips. Cracked lips is very common, especially for people with eczema. When you apply Vaseline on top of cracked lips or on top of cracked skin, it actually fills up the gaps and prevents extreme water loss. And don't worry, Vaseline is edible. You can actually take it and it doesn't even harm your stomach or your intestinal lining. Safe to be eaten. The third benefit is cracked heels. A lot of women out there wear high heels for long periods of time, and these can cause soreness and as well as cracked heels. You can use moisturizers or lotions for your cracked heels, but always at the end of the day, top it up with something like a petroleum jelly to prevent epidermal water loss. The fourth one, diaper rash. If you have kids at home, you would understand that diaper rash is a big problem, especially if your kids urinate or defecate more than 3 to 4 times a day. And every time they urinate or defecate, it will actually leave a stain on their skin and excoriate the skin, means that it will actually exfoliate some of their gentle skin. And what happens? They're going to get blisters and redness over their bottoms. So one of the best ways is not to apply any sort of cream, but Vaseline. Vaseline will help trap the water in their skin and help prevent their excrements from touching their skin. I swear by Vaseline for diaper rash. And the fifth tip that I'm going to give you, that Vaseline can be used on a nightly basis, is a secret that a lot of celebrities do not want to tell you about. It's called slugging. Slugging means that at the end of the day, after you've cleansed your skin and after you have moisturized your skin, you need to put a layer of Vaseline on your entire face. Now what this does is, not only does it trap and prevent water loss, it actually presses down all the active ingredients into your skin, preventing it from accidentally touching your face or touching your hands, or preventing it from accidentally touching your pillows. Slugging has been used by celebrities like Martha Stewart for years, and she has great skin for her age. So even though petroleum jelly or Vaseline does not contribute directly to anti-aging, it does help keep the skin nice and moist and young for a long period of time. However, if you have issues with oily skin or clogged pores, you might want to avoid this method called slugging. If you're using slugging, you might also want to look at this other product from Vaseline, which is Vaseline with petroleum jelly and aloe vera. It helps hydrate and moisturize the skin, and with petroleum jelly, it prevents epidermal water loss. So if you're doing slugging, you might want to consider this one. Ladies and gentlemen, Vaseline has been used by people with eczema for many years. But it is not only people with eczema that should use Vaseline or petroleum jelly for the skin. All of us should use it for anti-aging. So go ahead and stock your house with Vaseline today. Alright guys, that's it for me, Dr. Ingky. So always remember to click like, comment and subscribe if you like our content, and please turn on the notification bell button so that we can inform you if there's any new videos being uploaded on a weekly basis. If you find this content useful, please forward it to your family and friends. That's it for me. I'm Dr. Ingky, your digital skin doctor, and until next time, always stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay informed. Are you tired of wasting time and money on your skin, but nothing works? We are here to help. Skynfyx is a platform that provides personal care education completely free. Skynfyx is run by skin doctors and skincare experts. You can chat and consult with our skin doctors without ever leaving your home. Other than free advice, Skynfyx also provides tailor-made solutions for your skin problem with customized medical-grade skincare delivered right to your doorstep. Skynfyx, your digital skin doctor.